Hi, this is 𝗵𝗺𝗍𝗍, the brand guy. So yesterday I was at a meeting and the client asked me a very simple question. He says, Jerome, I want to start a brand, but I'm not sure what to do next. So in today's video, I am going to share with you some of the ideas and the thoughts behind how you can create and implement a new brand or put into place a brand strategy. So here are 5 key questions to get you started when you are designing your brand strategy for a new brand that you're going to be putting out in the marketplace. Question number 1. What is the purpose of your brand in today's society and marketplace? Be very clear about what your brand stands for. Define a clear brand purpose. Think about why you started your business in the first place. How is this purpose going to be welcomed by your target audience? What part of the marketplace will your brand improve? What problem is it trying to solve? Search for something bigger than just the functional solutions. It's very key that when you think about your purpose, that you not just think about the functional aspects of your brand, but also how you can connect to the emotional side of your target marketplace. Question number 2. Who are you competing with? Who else is trying to target your marketplace and your audience? What do they sell? What are their strengths? What are their weaknesses? How can you learn from their strengths? How can you exploit their weaknesses? Think about all the competitors you have and analyze their behavior and the way they market themselves in your marketplace. And I want you to just go beyond your product category and look at not just your direct competitors, but also look at your indirect competitors. Number 3, what makes you different? Now that's the secret sauce. When you start thinking about what makes you different, always think about this. What is the extra value that you are bringing to your marketplace in order to attract your future audience? What are you doing that is different from what all your other competitors are doing? So this is very interesting. One of the things that I do is to teach organizations different ways that they can differentiate themselves in the marketplace. Let's talk about the next question. What don't you want your brand to be? Let me give you an example. Recently I was looking to buy a watch, and when I looked at buying a watch, I had a very big issue with it because the watch was branded as a premium luxury brand, but yet they were on an 80% discount or 70% discount most of the time. So it's very important to understand what you don't want your brand to be or become. Because if you say that you are premium, act premium. If you are for the mass market, act like you are for the mass market. That's very important from a brand perspective. Knowing where you cannot go towards. And the final question is this. What is your brand story? For me, stories are extremely crucial and it's extremely important. And many times when I hear brand stories that don't feel authentic, when it's not authentic, people are not going to connect to the brand. Come up with powerful, authentic stories that gets people to understand the story behind your brand. And this will also lead to helping you create communication and content in the future. So my name is 𝗵𝗺𝗍𝗍 and I've shared with you 5 key questions. Question number 1, what is the purpose of your brand? Question number 2, who are you competing with? Question number 3, what makes you different? Question number 4, what don't you want your brand to be? And number 5, what is your brand story? I wish you success in creating a powerful brand strategy for your brand and creating a world-class brand.